Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you make the font in the H1 on the Hero divider stronger? And also, how can you change the size of the font of the H1 in the Hero section? Simply go to Admin, and from Admin, go down to Settings, Design Settings, and the Homepage tab. Then scroll down, and you will see here, for this title here, the H1, that is currently set at 72. So let's play about with this. Let's set it for bigger. So we'll go the maximum, which is 80. Let's go for center positioning, but let's make the font extra bold. Then go up, save the changes, back to the website, and refresh. Excellent. You'll notice that the content is over to the left and not center, even though we aligned it center just here. The reason for that is the content area width here is at 70. So let's also adjust that to 100%. Go back, save, refresh, and there you have it. I hope you find that useful, and thanks for watching.